What's up, guys? How are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? Okay, thank you. And you all know that my name is myself Srinivaslu, teaching IIT JEE for classes 11th and 12th along with basic mathematics for beginners, right? And before going to continue my topic, let me inform you about the precautions of COVID-19. Yes, so don't forget to wear a mask when you go outside and use sanitizer when you touch the things of others, so that you will get rid of COVID-19 as much as possible. Okay, so these are the instructions from my side. Please follow, friends, don't forget. And if you really like my videos, please share my videos to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel, so that they too can learn mathematics as you are doing, right? I hope some of you might have improved to a little bit. That is my wish. I hope. I don't know whether it is correct or not, but I wish it is. Yes, if so, thank you. And so let us continue our topic, that is basic mathematics. In our basic mathematics, let us continue with our topic, integers. So in integers, I have explained about definition of integers, representation of integers, and addition of integers and subtraction of integers. So let us move to our next topic, that is multiplication of integers. So how to do multiplication of integers? Let us discuss in today's class. So multiplication of integers. Yes. So now first let us take on number line first, so that you can understand very clearly. If I take multiplication of integers on number line, okay. So for suppose I want to calculate 2 into 3, right? What is 2 times of 3? How to calculate 2 times of 3 by using number line? Anyhow, we are dealing with integers, so draw the integers number line. You all know that 0 should be in the middle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, okay, 7 and so on. This is positive integers, and negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Why? Because we don't need any negative integers here. Why? Because we are multiplying 2 positive integers. 2 is positive and 3 is positive, right? So what is 2 into 3? Anyhow, we know that multiplication is repeated addition, right? If you don't know, keep it in mind that multiplication is what? Repeated addition. So 2 times of 3 is nothing but, instead of 2 times of 3, we can write 3 plus 3. So what is 3 plus 3? 6, right? So the same here I am doing on the number line. So 3 plus 3, I hope now everyone knows how to do add integers on the number line, right? So from 0 to 3, again from 3 to 6. Yes, this is how we have to do addition, multiplication on the number line, right? So here also, if you are, if possible, write plus 3, and here also plus 3. Clear? This is how we have to do multiplication of integers on the number line. Wait, only I have explained only positive integers. How about negative? Okay, let us see that negative also now. Okay. So the same, I am taking 2 times of -3, but not plus 3 now. Okay. So for that sake, again I need a number line. Yes. In the middle, anyhow 0 will be there. Yes. And that side, after 0, right side will be positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And left side will be negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6 and so on, right? This is the number line. Now on this number line, I am showing 2 times of -3. How to do? Means same like previous problem, I have to add -3 2 times now. -3 plus -3, right? -3 multiplying by 2 is nothing but adding -3 2 times, right? -3 plus -3 is how much? -6. So in the same way, first 0 to -3, again from -3 to -6. So how now what I should write here? Instead of +3, I should write -3 here. So 0 to minus 3. Then I can write minus 3. Again from minus 3 to minus 6. Yes. Already I have explained. Plus means right side. Minus means left side. So here minus 3 is there. So I am moving which side? Left side. Understood? So both times I have to move left side only but not right side. Because both are negative integers here. I am adding two negative integers means I have to move left side only. Clear? This is about multiplication of integers on the number line. Okay, now let us see how to do in general without using number line. So for doing without using number line, we need to learn product of signs. Yes, this is very important. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus of minus is nothing but minus into minus is equal to plus. Right? Whenever you are perfect all these formulas, then only you can do multiplication perfectly. Clear? So not only multiplication, if you want to do addition, simplification problems in integers perfectly, then these four are must and should. Clear? If you want, note down once, please, because this is very important. Okay, thank you. Now let us see how to do multiplication without using number line now. Yes. So first, find the product of the following. So I hope everyone knows what is the result of multiplication called? Result of multiplication is called product. That's why we have to write find the product of the following. Okay, in that first one I am taking. Okay, first starting, let us take only positive integers, 7 into 4. Second one, 6 into minus 3. Third one, minus 5 into minus 4. Fourth one, okay, first negative integer, that is minus 2 into 8. So let us solve all these four problems now by using plus of plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. Like that we have to solve. So plus into plus, 7 into 4. So answer is 28. So here also first in multiplication of integers, sign of the product is very important. Right? Anyhow we know that answer is 18, but which 18? So plus into minus, minus 18 is the answer. Clear? In the same way, minus into minus is plus. 5 into 4 is 20. So whenever we are getting plus, no need to mention plus there. Clear? So minus into plus, minus. 2 into 8, 16. Understood? So like this, you have to find the product. So whenever nothing is there means it will be plus. So plus into plus is plus. So I am not writing any sign means it is positive. Clear? But here one is plus and one is minus, then plus into minus is minus. In the same way, minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Understood? So this is how you have to do multiplication of integers to find the product. Okay? Anyhow, when many number of integers are given, all are positive means no change will be there. But when many number of integers are given with negative sign, product of more than 2 negative integers, how to find out? Let us see now. Okay? That is very important in product. That is multiplication of integers. Okay? So first suppose, let us start with one only. So minus 1 into minus 1. Second one, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Third one, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Fourth one, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, this is enough. This is very important. Just you listen this. I hope till now everybody understood whatever I have explained, right? Okay, thank you. Next. So now let us understand this very important. Clear? Even when you are doing competitive exams, there may be chance of doing mistakes. That's why learn this one very perfectly. At least those who have missed, At least now you understand, so that you can do perfectly when you get in the competitive exams. Clear? Not only the competitive exam, whatever the exam is, if you are getting any business problem, then you can do perfectly. That's why, listen. So minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. So no need of minus plus here. Yes. But when it is 3 integers with minus sign, then see here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So whenever we are getting result as negative, definitely we should write the minus sign there. Clear? But when you are getting positive integer, then no need of writing any plus before the number. Writing anything before, without writing anything before the sign, before the number indicates positive sign only. Understood? That's why no need of positive sign again when we are getting the result as positive. But when we are getting negative integer, definitely we should mention the minus sign. Clear? So here 3 times I am getting. See here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 into 1, 1. Anyhow 1 is same. Yes, in the same way. Now we see, let us see now 4 integers of negative sign. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So answer is 1. Clear? In the same way, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 1. Understood? So when the number of negative integers in the product is even, then the result will be positive, means plus sign. When the number of negative integers is odd, means 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. If the number of negative integers is of the kind 1, 3, 5, 7 like that, then it will definitely result in a negative integer. If the number of negative integers is odd, means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that are there, then the result definitely will be positive. Understood? That's why I'll write that sentence. Very, very important. Note down. First point, product of even number of negative integers is positive. Very, very important. Next, second point, product of odd number of negative integers is negative. Understood? This is what I wanted to explain. Clear? So let us do some problems related to this also. Okay? So now let us take second problem as same question. Find the product of the following. Okay, in that first one I am taking minus 5 into 4 into minus 3. Okay, second one minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1 into 4. Okay, next third one 15 into minus 4. Okay, fourth one minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay, these are enough. So now let us understand this. Okay, this much is enough. So first, whenever we are doing product, then definitely first we have to go for sign, right? So minus into plus, minus, again minus into minus, plus. So no need to mention any sign here. 5 4 20, 23, 60 is my answer. Clear? Next, again minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So my answer is minus. 3 2 6, 6 1 6, 6 4 24 is my answer with negative sign, that is minus 24. Clear? Next one, plus into minus is minus. 15 4 60. So here my answer is minus 60. In the same way, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60, 62 is 120, 120 into 1 is 120. Clear? So this is somewhat lengthy process. If you remember that formula, that is product of even number of negative integers is positive and odd number of negative integers is negative. So directly when you get the question, then by seeing the number of negative integers, see here 2 negative integers, so answer will be positive. So this is correct. In the same way, minus, see here 3 negative integers, so answer will be negative. Here 1 negative integer, answer will be negative. 5 negative integers, answer will be negative. Clear? That's why whenever you are learning any subject, understand the concept and keep in mind some formulas which will be helpful when you are doing some problems like this, which will be lengthy if you are not following the formulas. Understood? That is the power of formulas in mathematics. That's why you have to remember every formula in mathematics. Clear? So students, that is about multiplication of integers. I hope you have enjoyed my video for today. And really, once again, I want to inform that if you really like my videos, please share my videos to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel. First of all, give it a thumbs up, and afterwards inform them to subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. Signing off. Thank you.